Castro will receive a certificate of completion, a recipient of Best in Arts Award, Cheer Dance Participant, and Bright Child Awardee. Will receive a certificate of completion, Cheer Dance Participant, Most Motivated Thinker Child, and Loyalty Awardee.